Model, 2017 Mercedes Sprinter 314 CDI 3.5T long wheelbase flatbed engine is knocking VAT included. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 259741. MOT, the 7th of March 2025. Engine, 2143 cc OM 651 HP-Mi2B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a nog. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well